Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're replacing a tempered glass screen protector. You start by removing the phone cover to access the edge of the display. I'm using a toothpick because I find that it's the best method. It's also a little safer than using maybe something with metal. So place the toothpick at the corner of the screen, just in between the screen and the protector, and then just lift it up. Just apply a bit of force to just lift the tempered glass. So rotate the phone slowly to just easily remove the screen protector from all sides. Be slow and careful when doing that. Just, take your time. I'll include the link to where I purchased the screen protector in the video description. Just check out the description box for more info. I do, however, think that you can get this from any cell phone store. So within this kit provided with the screen protector, there's 2 lint-free cloths. So one cloth is slightly dampened with rubbing alcohol, and you'll see there that it's written number 1. So to just clean the screen and prepare it for the new screen protector. Then with a dry cloth, perform some light rubbing to remove the residue or any dust, any residue or any dust on there.
Eternity later.
It might take a while, so take your time and make sure that it's completely clean. After all, you're going to place something on top of that, so you want to make sure that there's nothing that disturbs your view. Try to get this right the first time, so make sure you take your time to just align the protector perfectly before removing the protective sheet. Just so you make sure that you don't need to shift and move things or take it out again. You just need to be really careful, so take your time. When you're ready and you're confident that you've aligned your screen and everything, remove the protective sheet and then slowly apply some force to prevent any air bubbles, and firmly squeeze out any remaining air trapped, if there is any. Ons DIY Sommer Groete. Thanks for watching.